So sorry guys, sorry. Chi telephone chawa off. Chakul na location. And it's very hot even. Kwe spoiled. The story I was talking about. Ta put kana kajan rishim. How I manage the journey. Why cha benuka michwali burgung diar. Chine benuka michwali coat shegiet. Kamichwali doshan. Kamichwali way danga kai buny wangde. A lot of places. Only that Chow could remember Kandial. But at least I remember my journey, the situation I was in. It wasn't easy. Of course, I was so happy. It was fun, but it wasn't fun also. At least Ramkan Jomeling, Cheling, a channel had Jom. Yeah. I saw too much sweating. So I wish they work life go me take see they color go. But next time ba go roda ne work life kel kon nyerite punikel. Okay. Let me continue. And then go no buy a lip and because most of you would cover can joy still. I need more of you so that I continue with my journey, what I went through. Yeah, almost like 40, and then I can continue. Okay, let me just continue. Banana chop later. Okay. So, my chine chop ka kai queen. She na ideal je. She go hero. Like kai queen was just empty. And ka shop da ka na logo ba bi na rat pin. Sa jone man ka dial ka hero kel ka gad. Most people kwa kene ade hero. So she nature body na is tongue chane tongue. And chabuja guy kameda na isham by then. So cause we were working Karame strong, our strong bro, that is boy Kang Malwal. I really appreciate him a lot. Jane Gur third dial, of course. Third dial mo. He can about $150. Take a video me just posted about that deal. It's not the one that I was saying and this and this. No, it was a circle of us. And I think I just posted the picture. Can't video the kind of post, but the video is there. So channel you go there, look our bro. So things were really hard because we were tired. So I just had to do that. Yeah. So from there, Chine Dela, Chine na Chajang, Chine Dunatal. Because Nigeria run in Bachada, Karel, Adelamo. Chine Tal that night. Then the next day, Chane Kerbaka, 1 hour rope. Even we were having hopes, it on better Cotorbiel to be been a jal Cotorbiel, what a cow cobo. So, la Kerna Kelkajika Queen Karuna, 1 acre forest. So, Chinewaka forest, Karunwa, Nick Bakan, and then Luang, and I find my Luang near Walloon. kagan meton mala we duela nike weather. The kid was making noise, a lot of noise at night. The kid was crying, and crying at night, it wasn't allowed, because Murle was there, I mean. So the kid by we kondi ala pur whether jinnin jinnin, you have to just wake up. So gada mecha we ko wer bene roda pur kondi duela duel medumtin to anything kat anything more than 10 people duel. It was suffocating, but here jene nothing ni chaya take oxygen metot la rune ni. So we okay. Chine taka queen for 3 days. For 3 days, then she charger chole le charger kwara gadu kwala vigo metre kwa gadu yeah charger shukrana. So after that, 2 later 3 days, life was just difficult. Tell kwan like kwan mi cham ke cham ne ring point ring jene cham ne. So then this time tell like a bush dun kai queen. And then mete ke real chi bene de la por no ka jan dawe kai queen na la dango no chi na ben. Guys, sorry, Chakon interrupted someone. Changayodika with a direct call. So from there's a time they were in the market, and then they told me it was a big problem. War not, for me, I just laughed. So after that, Chawija kugai shine kuta stress tada ka kai queen, and then we just started like having stress. Chawija kugai ka go abine what and things were getting worse. Kan chi kuchum na kamichwali tang nyang. No, cha tang nyang. Cha wang. So me chine ngai tang nyang cha wang ken. Chine ngai things are getting worse. Or like haram kuli udore, and for me I was like I don't know you ka ko with nothing in dora. And she dual na iko ne rejal na ike she ne dual as a group, and she ne agree that day bene yoka kobe. So after that, the next day, like here and go just ready. Here I'm a bun here and yiɛn and everything. Like we were like we take a tea vintage jalka nebe kadoka kai queen because she ka belong ka cup because like dwarf kobe is very long and it's very far, I mean, and Queen Ejal. But la gwalt nana de la ajal neke chika gwalt de ranjal ke 1 day and a half or 2 days. No, gwalt la ajal neke it was just a distance of 4, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours to 9 hours, because from Walgak to Lankan, it's 9 hours or 11 meter long. Then from Bong to Walgak, it's 5 hours. From the same to Kaikwi. After that, why been a video but then videos ne ka diaal ko ne la wiyan ke most of them la de ka kamishale kai queen ray rob kai queen that's the forest kai forest ni dangerous ni lo kai queen jana krishene tango me ka lorar jan hakkar tel gwam dong dir mo bur bije apart from kai queen jan jay after that the rest jabakara. So from there then yeah chine chute bin gwa bene do shan waje gwa ba to then bene wa kam yal coach yet bene wa ka burgung dia those places yeah different places but bene ka bana mani til and everything then take some wang ne shop ten go and we got lost dop chabal like queen do up like dane waka do that's my first time by the way bejal do mission do mo because since nema kwanga da kan mi jal tin do mala ko imagine ja ke wija because they used to say that they take a jabe la guard kont la general boy bakay la ba che man ken bil tong charan wala chaw take 5 years kalwinde jaw ka do ko be ko le ben kawal ga e do mi dangerous along do mi risk ni lo so me cha bud kwa imagine la do mi jeni lo like she is by the way and of course sinay jal benyen kami chali way down ajan wang kai bun mai chinay chobo gomo even chane toika tena gomo because they were thinking kona dune also so I must they confirm okay connect again. We were using the main road not the bush but still bakanga chain and even la main road and a bush everywhere. So the main road using that which charity and bush can tell a main the man and that it was kinda like it was kinda scary. Tell me Goatin, to be honest. It was just scary. China banian kami wali way down. Guamo, I don't know. Ngan angara mala no barwa long ka Kiswahili. Barwa je la tek barrier ba mat ka Kiswahili. So this thing changanong problem kanji ayo. So I don't know charwai ke nyam bulbul ka Kiswahili. Kana tanya to kende baka Kenya. Now this thing like brought me a big problem. You know, ji ayo chalaro, katitede, katinga that right ka Kiswahili. Katika ngane, kajuri kenda. I was like, this is serious. I kept quiet and I was like, cool. So it is okay. Let me just keep quiet about it. I was so thirsty. Like go to pew long time ma. Chawaka because chika jam ga pew, chawa jam ra wankan jiayo. And they were cooking. Chadon ya tenawa jam ga pew or something. So I went there. I went to him because some time ago, I know you have to create that bond with someone. And it's through talking or broikaran. If you don't talk to someone, tell a bond me that come and run. But for you like to have that bond with that person, go to communication. So ngan pande chuwan ngan chawa lim ni piu ka je dolmo. And I was just talking but pika te ku yen kalatu metu yen ke ayana ngabe ko lor ka rewang te kenyi medit anga bo yer nyoke yen batal ko. That's what the guy was saying. And I was like, kwani nyimor yen dara man ngan che ngan nyimor ni yen de man ka piu chaka jono ji ayo yen be nyimor be yen ka yen ba man ka piu ba ma tin piu ti melen yen ni na ka kwida ga ni na hi it was a big problem tere di samo ero de piu yen ba after that chinai pape kol gar ko la til ko chinai kana chinai na ka til la ndiok do til la ndiok rotation kana ni shop da chine ke ni chutup de ni, then the rest chaka jiang chaka watala gari cause ni gwata nothing queen ni road. It was a forest. Gwami like take a joy to one and everything. So cha till chaka boil like a cheer that me de la cha tar. Only that later they were not sick. Yeah, they were not sick. So chanyin can boil a month, tell academy a Latin what is it, cha boil like a janong can a naked. So Chanaker, mental problem like a ring without like Chiloida, miss good. Then Chena meet, then after that in Indian, there's some to be me pen bitch but scared nana and I don't know can nur me did. And now I could have put me there. Don't know what a rain bog or I don't know what. You never a poor condia. It was a big problem. Lloyd, and Indian to Lily. Can't work it. And then she named Guamidja, Nis Chaman, Kumnera like Koy didn't a toy neighbors Capatan, Kelmina, Pammy, Pinray Dudley. Koy, it was just too much. And then from there, I Chabakaruna, and a Kirkasa did in a baka. I got a Janek and Yashin Jarodon, Bane, year Banajongo. There's someone there, Malang Walker. Come quick it no, parent had. She just a boyfriend, the Ramde Makid, parent had. So from there, Chineke, Chine Quakorol, and after that, Chinewa 2 years, Chine Quachinekana, like any can kin qua. Quack Biakala, somewhere an enemy, my sham enemy, a goon aerial, Cherokee, like Cherokee canoon, and Biaquacun Biachulare, Cochare, the cham we could do dinner, Shanko, Culatoir, Chevelle ding. So Quack the Abachu did, then Bram Kelki and air of Charge, Bakwa, Baka Kirik and Bakananqui. So, this guy Charlie Bunch, she quack kel can you regel kel can a con a bunch in a quack, she make a kid. She never qui. She make a kid, everything in a qui. Oh, Mokoi, Mukany and a day news manarun, Masava. It was having some mosquitoes. She naked rape into Koi until now, Lloyd even is not normal. Point even can normal because of that situation. Chine cook at Conde Chinewuki, now a knock from there up to town, a 1 hour Kajal footing. So she ne chukui chine rodagger, cause being cochukalwan. Narame chiroloy almost 3 times, 3 penny. Like Changa affected also, cause the water was too cold. So we cross, we change, and nyok chiram puro de nyok e bag ram la nyo weed. Ai ne nyok ne ka regadi ne ko ko. Ne ra nyo te bi ne jal 1 hour. Kasho ka ba bag da ko bija. Ngani le chele, like even I wasn't thinking. Lala no let me chacha chubagwa me cha mane wanga cha chomukui. At least take away over chobgwa te she martin, because I was having a week without communication. My mom was so worried and she was thinking about you, and she was like, Nyachin, kind of matter in such situation. Charomre and create her. So I was strong, and I was like, I wasn't the only person. So why would I feel bad? I then reached Akobo town. I chopped and we could put work and no breakfast and everything. After that, Katiang Chinegua internet. Chinero, I get Marco Shanko Bakulangai, Kokon safe. After that, the next day, not quite even people were monitoring me. Like, I did not know. He take a mediocre or something. I did not know. So, kangan banao bako internet long. I love posting and I like taking photos a lot. I love like adventure. Angarami angaram blogger. Yeah, like I just like taking photos. Yeah, me chango kapkokobe. People were thinking it's because of taking photos. That's why I'm kapkoje. No, it wasn't the reason. Me chagwa Wi-Fi. I then seated there with Nyama Bulbul, and I was chatting. And when I was chatting, someone just, okay, they need Ambakal, they just appeared from nowhere. Near Guabek, I did not know, by the way. They just appeared, Kamaiken, Kanambakal. And then Changa Chu Golakan. And they were like, Nyashin. And I was like, how come they know my name? Nyashin, we need your phone. Ga, Monet Alfondo. I closed the phone and Chakamke. Because I knew it, tell me, Jamie Chalel. I wasn't like scared, like Kandwal. Changa Jogurne, that town, don't Markadana, Chawanaka, Chalde, Nika Matar. Because then what, Nadakatan, they took me there. And Chine Chuta Tamami, Chine Meloka Chalu, and everything and all. And they found out that I was not having problem. So from there, church took almost 6 days. Ka Kobo, Neka, they just booked me. But I never wanted to come. Kobo was so nice. It was very nice. The people in that county, they were so nice to me. They were so nice to me. And I really appreciate Kanyure Chanyurungakan. To Chankan Bajanya Lonka Kobe, Changalje. I was just okay. Only that mom was worried and Changa pressure Obalun Kajube. She was scared also. So Charlie Sanija, and I just had to come back to Juba. So Charo the book and Chalun Kajube. Hopefully, maybe Doran be Loiteka than like before. And for me, I love adventure, no reaching along. Even most people, since I came back from Morocco, Changani reaching, by the way. Ka reaching, can't stop from glowing, from looking good, from what. Yeah, of course, Chada would de Park City, because Nyen reaching diaal, different from Nuer. But Chine Kwanki and Chine Kingi, because natural, Quantilla talk, tell magic, tell bustle, Moikanika card the best can is it by Talwal, Micha work a pill, Cha walk a tongue, ba Talji, a la Belgian Nuer tissue. So even me, like growing big or growing thick, reaching. Because when I was here in the city, I wasn't thick, I wasn't fat, I was so slim. But reaching, I added some weight, and reaching is very nice. To me, I love culture. I was having a lot of plans. I was having a lot of plans about culture. I a lot of ideas today. Camera nidan, tingwan today lel. Cause content creator, there's a lot of things. The content today laden these issues nikan kabato. Of course, I was moving slowly my account, but at least I was trying. Even where I am today, it's because of my culture, because of my village, and because also Chadol Kobe, check involved. Kanyin kadia. And most followers nika kadol kobe. In case naitla we know maybe I have problem with dol kobe, no. Telling a problem, okay? Just things, jokes and everything. Ramkui nang ba lao nang jala serious. You hurting yourself, not me. Because I'm someone mila tell Lloyd throughout. I tell Ramadan I'm hurting just because joke on Facebook you just abusing and everything. Maybe it's going to hurt me, no. So I'm someone me, I love joking a lot. Ngan Rami joker. La choli ne joker gatong. So I'm Rami joker. I love joking with people. No one is going to tell you that he or something. No. Everyone likes me and I was just okay with everyone. And then diaal. I love them so much. And even now, because this köör mechana adakapin. Some people even, it's very hot. Truth manner. Yeah, I'm sweating because it's too hot. So